Have you ever checked your bank account 2 days after payday and had a full-blown identity crisis? Where did it all go? If that's you, don't worry. You're not cursed. You're just flying blind. My name is Vladimir Nemchinov. I went from 0 to 600,000 in 11 years, mostly through real estate. But these days I'm focused on compounding my net worth through retirement investing. And now I help people like you figure out their finances and win what I call the wealth game. Today's lesson is about escaping the paycheck to paycheck loop for good. It's time to fix your busted budget. Let's start with this. Budgeting isn't about restricting your life. It's about getting your life back. Most people think they have an income problem, but what they really have is a spending system problem. So let's break this down step by step. Step 1, identify your leaks. Your money is like water, and if you don't have a container, it runs everywhere. Leaks show up as random subscriptions, late night Amazon binges, and $17 smoothies with superfoods you can't pronounce. Go through your last month of transactions. Circle every single thing that wasn't essential. And I mean really essential. If you're not using it or eating it or wearing it daily, it's probably a leak. Step 2, map the flow. You need to know exactly what comes in and exactly what needs to go out. That means writing down your income, your rent or mortgage, utilities, transportation, food, minimum debt payments, the basics. Now subtract that from your income. This is your margin. This is where the magic happens or the mayhem. Step 3, build a real plan. It's not enough to track your spending. You need to pre-decide it. Before your next paycheck hits, every dollar needs an assignment. Groceries, gas, savings, fun money, even Taco Tuesday, especially Taco Tuesday. You're not depriving yourself, you're preparing yourself. Step 4, create buckets, not chaos. Use separate accounts or apps if it helps. One for bills, one for spending, one for saving. Whatever helps you stay disciplined. This makes it harder to accidentally blow your rent money on a new phone. Again, step 5, set a 24-hour rule for all non-essentials. Before you buy anything over $50, sleep on it. Half the time you'll forget about it. The other half you'll realize you didn't need it. Impulse is the enemy of margin. Now, let's address the biggest budgeting myth of all. I don't make enough to budget. False. You can budget $10,000 per month or $1,000 per month. A plan is a plan. The key is consistency, not the size of your paycheck. And here's a pro tip. Automate your essentials. If rent, utilities, and debt payments are automated right after payday, you never even see that money, and you can't accidentally spend it. Think of it like hiding broccoli in mac and cheese. You're tricking your future self into doing something smart. Still feel like you can't get ahead? Here's a bonus step. Increase your income. That might mean picking up a side hustle, selling stuff you don't use, or asking for a raise. Your budget gets way easier when there's more money to manage. But remember, if you don't fix your system, more money just means more mistakes. You don't want to scale chaos. If your budget's been blowing up every month, now's the time to reset. Reroute the leaks, set the rules, give your money a plan, and if you want help, real help, putting together a budget that works for your life and your goals, fill out the assessment form. The link is in the description below. This is still level 1 of the wealth game, but it's the foundation. You master this, and everything else gets easier. Let's fix your cash flow. Let's make your money behave. And let's start building your future, paycheck by paycheck.